Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create dynamic pages on Wix. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated whenever we upload a new video. Stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now let's go ahead and add a dynamic page on our website. So I'm gonna be choosing this one right here. It can be on any website. All we need to do is to go into our editor. So what we need to do is to go ahead and load up the website itself. So I'm going to be editing what it looks like on the website itself. I'm going to be clicking on edit site right here. And then for us to be able to add a dynamic page, we're going to be adding this thing called collections. So a collection is what will allow us to be able to upload different photos. Say for example, if you want to add a portfolio, we can go ahead and update the page itself, where it will just keep recycling or going through all of those. So the first thing that we need to do is we're going to be adding a section, and we're going to be using this tool on the left hand side called CMS. So just go right on ahead and click on this. And then what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be clicking on add to site. So this is where we can go ahead and add in our collections. Now once that we have our CMS all set up, then we can go ahead and start adding our content. So there are actually some presets here which we can go ahead and use, or we can go ahead and manage our own collection. What I'll be showing you now is we're just going to go through a preset. So I'm going to be clicking on this, and then you can go ahead and choose any of these dynamic pages to your liking. So say for example, I want to add a team member dynamic page. So just go ahead and click add to site. This will then create the pages themselves. So this will create that dynamic page. And once that it has been added, then you're able to go ahead and add the contents or the collection itself. So it will open up the collection. Then you can go ahead and add all of these different items. So if you want to add in name and all of the different details, if you want to go ahead and add more people, you can go ahead and do so. And then if I just click off this, as you can see, we have added our dynamic page right here, where we can go ahead and see all of the different people right here. And there you go. Just go ahead and play around with the CMS in our collections right here and start playing with the dynamic page as well. And if you want to go ahead and manage the dynamic pages, just go into main right here and then click on manage dynamic pages right here. And there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.